Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, Bricoleuse. If you've had reason to carry a folding fan, you've probably noticed. The prettier a contemporary folding fan, the more fragile and easily broken it is. As a costume crafts artisan, I've made quite a few fans to match costumes and reproduce historical fan designs. This video demonstrates my method. When you're making a decorative fan, the action of the mechanism is not always the primary concern. If a fan is going to hang on a wall, or someone wants to carry it around at their wedding or a historical costumed event, it may be that the look of the frame is most important. But I work in theater, and performers require different priorities. If you give an actor a fan, it will become an essential part of their character. They will open it violently to get someone's attention, snap it shut in frustration, even smack someone over the head with it. I've worked on 2 productions where the entire chorus had fan choreography as part of a dance number. You have to work with a frame that can withstand heavy use. In my experience, the best fans to use are these inexpensive plastic fans, which you can usually find for around $5 a piece. The sticks are resilient and the hinges are strong enough not to fall apart with dramatic use, but not so stiff that you can't firmly snap them open and shut with a flick of the wrist. Peel the fabric leaf gently off the ribs of the frame. You may need to file or sand excess glue off the ribs at this point. If your old fabric piece is edge trimmed like this one, you might want to salvage the lace for the edge of your new fan. Regardless, it can be pressed flat and used as a pattern to cut your fabric. Here's the frame, also called the mauncher, pinned out on a board to secure it for gluing. I've covered my board with a layer of clear vinyl in case any excess glue oozes out. This angle shows how to use T-pins, stabilizing each stave of the frame. After stitching the reclaimed lace to the edge of my new leaf panel, I used a brush to apply tacky glue to each rib and carefully smoothed the leaf into place. Be sure to finish the edges of the leaf. Trim it so there's a ½ inch to fold back, press the crease smooth, and glue each side to the guards. These inexpensive fans come in a range of colors, and while the gold detailing looks kinda cheesy up close, it actually looks great on stage. If you plan to use the fan in a close range situation, like strolling performers, live action role play, or your actual day-to-day life, you can tone down the metallic ornamentation with a rub-off treatment or cover it entirely using enamel paint for plastic. Here are 3 fans I've made with this method. If you'd like to make your own steampunk clock fan or rose window fan, these leaf designs can be purchased from spoonflower.com. Links are in the description for this video.